Hello, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's quick video, I am going to just go through the process of what I did to change my cabinets in my kitchen. I had the regular wood looking color cabinets. They didn't have any knobs or anything on them, and I changed them to white. So let's get started. So as you can see here, my walls were green. So this is the cabinets. I initially wasn't going to take the cabinet doors off. I did see that you didn't have to, but I chose to go ahead, and you can see this is the beginning phase. I did the Allen first, took the cabinets off. I know I had to prime. It was a tedious process. I absolutely thought that it was not going to be tedious, but it was. So taking the cabinet doors off made it way more, I say easier, or made way more convenient to paint the doors, and as well as taking them off, I was able to do, like all of the trim. So my kitchen was a mess. Have to excuse it. But when you are doing things like weekend projects, everything can be fancy and tidy. So I realized I'm going to paint all of the cabinets white, and then the wall is green, like a minish green. So I'm going to paint all of that going into my family room, because it's an open concept from the kitchen. So it's right there off from the kitchen. So this is a picture showing, the video showing my cabinet doors being taken off, and I primed all of this area. I was priming everything. I was hitting coats, and the one thing I did learn, that it is not just one coat, it is several coats. So I also am going to go back and get my counters changed, because I think if I do like a black onyx or something black, it would actually bring out the cabinets. And the only other thing was the backsplash, and I don't think I'm going to change the backsplash. So these are the pictures of now. So as you can see, I added handles to them. I did find those handles on Amazon, and I think I got like a box of, I don't know, it might have been like 30 something. 30 or 40. So some cabinets I didn't need the handle, but then others, the ones that don't open, I wasn't going to put a handle on. So see, as I went through, I love it. It lightened up my kitchen. And then I also went and got these little lights to put under the cabinet. They're like little sticker lights, punch lights, and it had a remote control to them. So I was able to light up the counters, and that was, yeah, you see my little dog in the picture. That made it even better. Like, I loved it. But this took me about, it might have been a full week, because I didn't do it all day, every day. I had other prior things I had to do. I had to work, so I couldn't do it every single day, but it took me about a week to get it completely done. And then on top of that, painting all the walls and everything, I decided to go and kind of clean out my pantry, and like buy some containers to organize it. So that, I told my husband, that was the bonus of doing this. So I cleaned out my pantry and my spice rack so that I can make it look way more neat and presentable. So there you can see that. So this was a awesome experience. I enjoyed doing it. I know the family didn't enjoy it because the kitchen was a wreck, but I was okay with that. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.